Just doing a little rundown of how I've had my kayak set up for camping this year. Guess I'll just do like how I do at the kayak store I work at, and just go from bow to stern. From my front grab handle I have my drag rope, which I have the other end secured to a roto grip that's on that center gear track in between my legs. I added this piece of gear track here, which is primarily just used for my front camera. I removed that rubber paddle stager, filled in the holes, and replaced it with two stainless steel pad eyes. The two 20-liter dry bags there in the front has my tent in one and my sleep system in the other. Under my seat I'll have a small tackle box, two large water bottles, a dry box for my batteries, and a dry bag for miscellaneous stuff. I have my river knife on the right side there. Drilled a hole through the clip so I can bolt it to the plate. My throw rope is on the left side. It's clipped to the seat, but it's also bungeed so it doesn't flop around. Next is my thigh straps. I use well nuts to mount my straps to be able to connect to my thigh straps. In the back I have two 40-liter dry bags. One of them is for my food and water filtration. The other one I use for my clothes and whatever else I want to keep dry. That smaller dry bag just has my rope for my tarp and also a first aid kit. Under my dry bags I have a tarp and then my folding chair. I built this mounting plate out of a cutting board. I added gear track for my camera mount to give me that nice third-person camera angle. I also use it to hold my rod when I'm not using it. If I am using my fishing rod, it's usually on the left-hand side on this gear track. So what do you think? Questions, comments? Let me know in the comments section. Also, let me know what you think about her name.